Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to turn off autoplay videos on Facebook. Firstly, click on your profile photo in the upper right corner. Then, if you're doing it on desktop but we're doing it on mobile, so tap the three horizontal lines and then go to Settings and Privacy. Then Settings. Now scroll down to Media and under Autoplay in Feeds and Stories, tap Never. And that's it. Autoplay is disabled and your feed will be much calmer and save you so much data too. So when you encounter a video on your feed, it won't play unless you click the play button. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.